This is your 5-minute arm challenge. I'm gonna challenge you to do this entire workout all the way through, and it's a perfect one to keep coming back to get stronger and stronger every time. I'm Action Jacqueline. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Let's jump right into our workout. All right, you ready to work those guns? Let's do it. The first move we're gonna have is our push-up. So we're going to practice going really nice and slow. We're gonna go 1, 2, 3, and then we're going to press up slowly. My arms are shaking already, so let's do it. We're gonna do each move, remember, for 1 minute, and then we'll have a little 10-second break so that we have a total of 5 minutes of work here. Good. Now 1, 2, 3, and up. Good. That slow, controlled motion right here. Think of the core lifting up higher as you go lower. 3, and up. Beautiful work. Extending long through the spine and through the back of the neck. Elbows are flaring just slightly outside of the ribs. And think about pressing through every single finger. The first finger, the thumb, the knuckles. And up. Good. Keep going. Okay, next one we're gonna go from downward dog to dolphin. So set yourself up on your elbows. The elbows are gonna stay towards each other. And then you're gonna lift, and then you're going to squeeze the elbows down. Good, join me now. Up and lower. So forearms are parallel to one another. Lift, and then lower the elbows down. Lift, lower the elbows down. You're gonna definitely feel the triceps working here a lot. Whew. This is really good for training also where your elbows go in space if you're working on handstands or anything like that. And also for just sculpting all underneath those arms. Good. Lower and lift. You've got it.
Might be shaken but not stirred. Just a lesson that I've learned. And so it goes. Tables turn and you're on your own. When I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things you took from me, I know that I am so much better.
All right, come on down. We're gonna come to a forearm plank here, and we're gonna lower the shoulders, kind of let them sink down, and then push the floor away. So that's all we're doing, focusing on this. Here we go. So lower and lift, kind of shrink down, and then spread the shoulder blades apart. Let the shoulder blades come together and press. Good. Protracting and retracting. This is one of the best ways you can train not only to sculpt your arms, but to really strengthen all the muscles around your shoulders to prevent injuries, improve posture. Good. Whew. Those are tough ones. Okay, so we're gonna do tricep dips to squeeze it back. So you're gonna swing back, lift up, little pulse, and there. So swing back, up, down, and up. I know doing these exercises back to back for a minute definitely is much more challenging, right? You think, oh, 5 minutes, got it, and then it's like, whoa. But this is so good. Great little workout to squeeze into your day, right? Like, especially if you're sitting, we all are, hunched over, just throw this video on and you're going to completely change your body. It's true, in just 5 minutes. That's crazy. So easy, right? Life can be simple if you let it. Okay. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, get one more in, 3, 2, 1, and good. All right, we're gonna go into high plank. We're gonna do shoulder taps. Okay, so high plank pose, you can modify on your knees here, all right, or you can take it up, and this is our last move right here. So hand touches the shoulder as we work, of course, the core, but mainly those arms here. And I want you to feel like your hands are like little suction cups. I want them to really press down into the earth. Okay, really use those hands, feel grounded through every knuckle. Keep it going. Last 10. This is it of your challenge. Pick it up here. You've got it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo, you did it. I am so, so proud of you.